Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will explain to you how to monitor your database on a Linux host. Today, for this example, I will monitor my MySQL database on a Zabbix server. First, click on Configuration, now Hosts, and that is my Zabbix server on localhost. And I will also monitor my MySQL on a Zabbix server, and I will use the same IP address. Click on Create Host, type MySQL or whatever you want, groups, choose templates databases. The IP address is same, but if you want to monitor MySQL on another Linux host, you have to type right IP address into this field. Now click on Templates, select Templates Databases, and choose Template DB MySQL by Zabbix-Agent, and click on Add. Okay, we have created our new host, MySQL. But next thing to do is to open our Linux terminal and to create a new MySQL user for monitoring our MySQL database. MySQL, that is command to create one new user. Okay, create user Zabbix monitor, or you can change name whatever you want, identified by Zabbix, and here you have to type your password. Now click enter. The next thing is to grant all privileges on our new user. Okay, grant all privileges on all to our new user. I have that already done, so I have all these commands in my terminal, and now flash privileges and quit. To check if everything works, type MySQL user Zabbix monitor and minus password, and now it will be prompt for our new password, and that is in my case Zabbix. Okay, everything works. The next thing I'm going to do is to find our user parameter files. Okay, here is our user parameter files, and I'm going to copy the path, and now cd paste ls, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this file into our Zabbix-Agent directory, while I will show you that right now. Nano, our text editor, user parameter. Okay, for operating system Linux, you have to create. Okay, that is next thing. Okay, and our .my.cnf file consists of 3 strings: client, user, and password. But now exit and first copy, command copy user parameter into etc Zabbix-Agent directory, or not copy, just move and command MV. Now ls, okay, cd etc Zabbix ls, and here is our Zabbix-Agent directory, and here we have to copy or move all our config files, and for these purposes that is user parameter config file. And how I know that? I will show you that now. Nano Zabbix-Agent config. If we scroll our file, okay, include. Here we have to copy our config files, and that is right here. Now to check, cd Zabbix-Agent directory ls. Okay, here's our user parameter file, nano user parameter file. And now next thing is to create our my.cnf, but here we have dot. Okay, that is our hidden file, and when we create our new file, it is important to create .my.cnf, and I have already said that our file must have 3 strings. Okay, you can copy. Now Ctrl X to exit, and one moment please. Zabbix-Agent directory. We have to create our new file into next directory, variable lib Zabbix. Okay. So cd var lib, enter, cd Zabbix. No such file or directory, so I have to create one. Now cd Zabbix ls, and our folder is empty, so I have to create our new file, nano.my.cnf. Enter. Here I can copy and uncomment all. My user is Zabbix_monitor, and my password is Zabbix. Now Ctrl X and Y to save. Now press enter. Now type systemctl restart Zabbix-Agent. And now check if everything works. Okay. Monitoring latest data. Choose host, MySQL, apply. And we have to wait a few minutes. Okay, I will pause my video so you don't have to wait. And after 1 or 2 minutes everything works. Okay, here we have our MySQL parameters. And that is that for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.